Hello, my name is Constantine, and I'm a project manager of the HydroCube Research and Production Enterprise. We provide our customers with custom hydraulic systems to specifically meet their requirements. One of our company's profiles is manufacture of non-standard hydraulic scissor lifting tables. On average, production time of a lift table is 45 working days. But there are often such cases when customers have a force majeure and they need equipment to be manufactured as soon as possible. Are we able to do it? Certainly we are. And by the way, the speed of manufacture doesn't affect production quality. This lift table has the following characteristics: the platform length, 4,200 millimeters, the width, 1,500 millimeters, the vertical travel, 2,530 millimeters, and the capacity, 3,000 kilograms. The equipment undergoes dynamic testing before being sent to a customer. HydroCube Research and Production Enterprise, we produce hydraulic lift tables meeting your specifications.